In this video, I'll provide an overview of our Part 6, the self-reflection of the research project. So here we are on our homepage. I'll go ahead and click onto the Weekly Modules button, and this will take us to all of our modules in Canvas. So recall I have a Airbnb research project module towards the top. It's got all of the resources and assignments all in one place. This video is specific to the Part 6 self-reflection, and I'll go ahead and scroll down to our last module. And so the video that you're watching right now is this link right here, and here's the part 6, so you can access the assignment from either module. I'll go ahead and click here on the part 6. And so for your final assignment, you're going to take the feedback you got from me and from your peers from the discussion board in part 5, where everybody gave each other feedback, and you're going to write a 1 to 2 page self-reflection. There are 3 parts to the reflection. In part A, you'll explain any corrections or changes you would make to the presentation if you had to do it all over again. This could be corrections to your calculations, changes to your charts and graphs, or perhaps the way you explain some of your findings and its implications. In part B, you're going to explain how you achieved the student learning outcome of our course, which states after successful completion of the course, students will be able to summarize, analyze, and interpret statistical data using technology for business problem solving and decision making. So it's important that you be specific in giving examples where you summarized, analyzed, and interpreted data for decision making. And secondly, you want to be specific in giving examples where you use technology. This assignment will give you a chance to practice on how to explain as it relates to business statistics. And then in part C, how will you apply your learning in the future in a business setting? If you're not totally sure about a future business setting, you can apply it to an educational setting as well. If you scroll down below, you'll see that there is the rubric that you can use to guide to make sure that you've addressed all of the requirements of the self-reflection and what is considered excellent, good, poor, or missing. And then also here I've got a link that takes you to some example language of what the Part B, the student learning outcome achieved, could look like. So I'll go ahead and click on that. So hopefully this looks familiar. This is the page with all of the project examples and templates. But right here at the bottom, here's some example language on how students have described the way that they achieve the student learning outcome. So this particular student actually broke it out into 3 bullets, talking about summarizing, analyzing data, followed by interpreting, and then their use of technology. This is just one way that they wrote about the student learning outcome, so feel free to be creative, but be clear on how you achieve the student learning outcome. So if you have any questions, just let me know.